This is Rick Renner speaking from Sparkling Gems Volume 1 for April the 28th. And today's gem is called Resurrection Morning. And our scripture is Matthew 28 verses 1 and 2. And these verses say, "In the end of the Sabbath, as it began to dawn toward the first day of the week, came Mary Magdalene and the other Mary to see the sepulchre. And behold, there was a great earthquake, for the angel of the Lord descended from heaven and came and rolled back the stone from the door and sat upon it." Wow! When Jesus was raised from the dead, my friends, power was detonated inside that tomb as Jesus' body was physically raised from the dead. This was no phantom resurrection. He was really physically raised from the dead, and the angel of the Lord rolled that big stone away from the entrance to the tomb. And when the Marys came and the others that were with them, when they arrived, an angel was sitting on top of that big stone. And we know the angels ultimately said, "Whom seek ye?" If you're looking for Jesus, he's not here because he is risen. Jesus was really physically raised from the dead on resurrection morning.